Go to minutes. Let's quickly compare DDR4 and DDR5. Two type of memories you want to know if you are upgrading or building desktop or laptops. Okay, what's RAM? It's for our computer's temporary memory. If our system having enough RAM with better frequency, it will help to handle more tasks at a time. DDR4 is reliable older option. Frequency starting is 2133 up to 3600 MHz. And DDR5 is currently running. Frequency starting from 4800 up to 8400 MHz. Compare DDR4, DDR5 giving better performance for gaming and multitasking. So let's introduce you some type of RAMs. UDIN for the desktops and sodium for the laptops. So here is the UDIN desktop RAM, DDR4 and DDR5. This kind of RAM specially using for gaming, which is coming RGB and heatsink. And this kind of RAM usually coming inside the branded workstations and desktops, which is coming without heatsink. And here is the sodium laptop RAM, DDR4 and DDR5. And this kind of RAM also coming inside the branded mini desktops. DDR5 is more efficient. It's taking less power for working, which means if your laptop is coming with DDR5 RAM, will be get better life. So DDR4 is reliable and affordable, and DDR5 is faster and efficient. So which is right for you? Drop a comment. Thank you.